Hello everyone, welcome to my channel and welcome to this video. In the previous video we have learned about the introduction of data structure, and in this video we will learn about the objectives of data structure and the classification of data structure and why do we exactly need data structure. So let's do it. First of all, we have to learn the objectives of data structure, and that is correctness, where data structures are designed to operate correctly for all kinds of inputs based on the domain of interest. In other words, we can say that correctness forms the primary objective of data structure, which always depends upon the problems that the data structure is meant to solve. Second is efficiency. The data structure also requires to be efficient. It should process the data quickly without utilizing many computer resources like memory space. In a real-time state, the efficiency of a data structure is a key factor in determining the success and failure of the process. So, what are the key features of data structures? First is robustness. Generally, all computer programmers aim to produce software that yields correct output for every possible input, along with efficient execution on all hardware programs. This type of robust software must manage both valid and invalid inputs. Adaptability. Building software applications like web browsers, word processors, and internet search engine include huge software systems that require correct and efficient working or execution for many years. Moreover, software evolves due to emerging technologies or ever-changing market conditions. And third is reusability. The features like reusability and adaptability go hand in hand. It is known that the programmer needs many resources to build any software, making it a costly enterprise. However, if the software is developed in a reusable and adaptable way, then it can be applied in most future applications. Thus, by executing quality data structures, it is possible to build reusable software, which appears to be cost effective and time saving. So before coming to the classification of data structure part, we should know that why should we learn data structure. So basically, by learning data structure, we can say that we can organize and store data, whereas algorithms allows us to process the data meaningfully. And learning data structures and algorithms will help us to become better programmers, where we will be able to write codes which is more effective and reliable, and we will also be able to solve problems more quickly and efficiently. So what is the classification of data structure? Data structure is divided into two parts. First is primitive data structure and non-primitive data structure, which we have learned in the previous video. So primitive data structure is divided into four parts: integer, float, character, boolean. And non-primitive data structure is divided into linear data structure and non-linear data structure. So linear data structure is divided into two parts: static and dynamic. And non-linear, so that is my mistake. Linear data structure, this one will be non-linear data structure. Kindly consider this. So the non-linear data structure will be divided into two parts: tree and graph. So static is divided into array, and the dynamic is divided into three parts, which is linked list, stack, queue. In the next video, we will go through the details of classification of data structure.